Dear students, hope you are all well. Today we will begin with a chapter in Civics. The name of the chapter is Diversity in Society. Before understanding the diversity in society, first of all, we will understand what is society. Okay, let's move forward. Now, we all live in a society. Then, what do you mean by society? Yes, society means, or in a society, people live together having a same purpose. Okay, they may have a common purpose, for example, security purpose. They live together for the purpose of security, for the purpose of protection, for the purpose of earning livelihood. Okay, tradition may be the common factor, culture may be the common factor, as well as language may be the common factor. Religion may be the common factor in the society, and people live in such society. Okay, students, yes, we all live here in a society. When we live in a society, we see different things or various things. For example, people belonging to various religions, people belonging to various languages, people belonging to various cultures. So, in the same way, we know that India is multi-state country or multilingual country. India is a multilingual country too. Multilingual means here in our India we have a lot of languages being spoken. Okay, India is the second largest. India is the second largest in the use of languages. In India, around 780 languages are being spoken. Okay, so here a variety of languages we see in India. There are such language, such variety you do not see in other country. In our society, we see people speak Marathi, Hindi, Telugu, Gujarati, etc. A lot of languages being spoken, as well as here we see the people live in society belonging to various traditions, cultures. We know that each and every state has its own culture. Each and every community has its own culture. Each and every community has its own culture as well as languages. If you go further in India, in different villages there are different language being spoken, different cultures being spoken there. Okay, so people are living together here with different languages, culture, religions, caste. Now, in our society, we also celebrate festivals like cultural events. For example, we celebrate Eid together, we celebrate Diwali together, we celebrate Christmas together. Okay, and one important thing is that period people have their own modes of worshipping, and that tradition also we do share with other people too. Now, what do you mean by modes of worship? Some people pray to the god, some people go to the temple to worship. Okay, so they are the different ways or modes of worshipping their own god and deities. Okay, so here we do share our tradition, customs, rituals with each other. As you know, in schools also we celebrate festivals, we celebrate each and every festivals which come. Okay, students, and such kind of people, all these people living together for a long time, and because of this togetherness, a feeling of oneness is created in the mind of people here. Feeling of oneness means being in unity, and because of all this diversity, they are united. There is unity in diversity in India. Yes, we always say there is unity in diversity in India. Why diversity? Because we have different languages, we have different dishes, we have different clothes, right? This is all called unity in diversity, and our country, India, has that diversity. Let's move forward. Now, we shall study that diversity is our strength. Just now, I told you that there is unity in diversity in India. Living together helps us to know our existence. To live together with different groups is to experience coexistence. Now, what do you mean by coexistence? Here, existence means it helps us to know our existence in the society. That means we are living in one society. What is our existence in our society? What is our status in our society? What is our position in our society? So actually, individual existence we can know because of this living together with all such different kind of people with different religion, right? Okay, and it helps us to develop, to increase the feeling of fraternity among us. Now, what is fraternity? Means all Indians live like brothers and sisters. Now, when we live together, we know each other. It helps us to know about others. For example, we have adopted the Western culture now, right? In the same way, we have already adopted the culture of here in India. Okay, then when we eat different dishes from different places, like in the second picture which is shown in your slide, we eat different dishes from different places. That means we have adopted that tradition. Sometimes we also wear different types of clothes. It means we have adopted the tradition or culture of other people. Okay, students, for example, when we burn the firecrackers in Diwali, it means that we have adopted their tradition. On Christmas, we wish each other, we share sweets. That means we have adopted that tradition. Okay, students, then coexistence helps us to know better. Coexistence helps us to know each other, and all this helps us to be united together. It creates a feeling of unity in the minds of people, and this unity is very important. This unity helps us to face all different types of problems or calamities. Yes, nowadays we know there is a COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so here in our society, we see different people are helping each other. Okay, so here we see the feeling of unity, togetherness. Let's move forward. Now, next we shall study the principle of secularism. Okay, now before moving forward, I would like to tell you what is secularism or being secular. Now, our India is one of the important secular nation of the world. Why a country is non-religious country? Now, what is non-religious country? It means that in our country, each religion is treated equally. Okay, we know that in our constitution, one of the important value is that equality. So here in our country, people belonging to different religions are there staying in our country. We know that Indian society consists of people belonging to different religions, and the constitution has made important provisions for the people who belong to different religions. In order to preserve this diversity in a sound and healthy manner, we have accepted the principle of secularism. What is the meaning of secularism? Means living together. No religion is all the religions are treated equally. Let's move forward. The principle of secularism tells us that only that importance is not given to one religion only. All the religions are equal. Okay. The next important point is that every person has the freedom to worship as per the religion or the religion of their choice. So any person has the right to go into whichever religion he feels like going. Okay, whichever god he feels like worshipping. So here any person can follow any religion. Students, in our constitution, again, provisions are made to provide equal opportunities to the people, such as opportunities for education, opportunities for earning livelihood, or means of livelihood. To fulfill these needs, we see that reservations has been made. The reservation for the weaker sections of the society has been made to provide such kind of equal opportunity. Okay, so weaker section can come in a stream of progress. So here we have adopted the constitution that helps us to maintain harmony in our society. That means equality in our society. So here we can see, because of the secularism principle, we all people live together with oneness or the feeling of unity without any problem. Okay, so here we are living in harmony because of that secularism principle. Let's move forward. That's your homework. The first one is India is an important dash nation of the world. The second one is dash helps to increase the level of understanding among the people. And the last one is what is diversity in society. That's all for now. We will learn more about this lesson in the next video. Thank you for listening, children. Goodbye. Take care.